January the 30th, 4:55 a.m. You know, you've got this commuter airplane and this military helicopter crash in Washington, D.C. And I'm not going to do this video to place any blame on anybody. But I do find this part, just based on what I've heard, now I don't even know if I've heard all of the radio transmissions. We know somebody knew something, or they would have never contacted that helicopter to ask them what they did. Well, I don't quite get why they're asking questions. They should have been given orders. I never did hear this commuter airplane. It was on final, evidently. Cleared the land. I never did hear an abort command come from the tower or air traffic control. Never did hear a command go to that helicopter. An actual flight command. You don't ask somebody if they could see something. You give them a command. If something's out of whack, you give them a command. Hold your position. Descend, ascend, whatever. Change course. You give them a flight command. I didn't hear any flight commands being issued, which I find a bit peculiar. But we do know somebody knew something wasn't exactly right. Or they wouldn't have been asking the question they asked. And to ask a generic question, do you see such and such? Well, rather than asking them if they see it, how about give them a flight command? Time is of the essence. Second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And we do know helicopters move different than airplanes as far as a glide path goes. My condolences goes out to the families. God rest the souls of those who perished.